Next one is the third problem is find the volume of solid revolving generated by the revolving the area between the curve y is equal to x square minus 9 and the x axis about x axis. So the solution is, so given that y is equal to x square minus 9 and x axis. X axis. So we don't know the limits. We don't know the limits. Limits of x. First, find limits of x. So it is given that it is in x axis. So in x axis, the y value is equal to 0. In x axis, the y value is equal to 0. So therefore, x square minus 9 is equal to y. The y value is equal to 0. X square minus 9. Therefore, x square is equal to 9. X equal to root 9. Root 9 nothing but a plus or minus 3. So therefore, the limits are, what are the limits? The limits are x equal to minus 3 and x equal to 3. What are the limits? The limits are x equal to minus 3 and x equal to 3. In this question, it is given as y equal to x square minus 9 and it is x axis. It is not given by limits of x. And here it is given as x equal to x axis. So x axis is nothing but y is equal to 0. So therefore, we written as x square minus 9 equal to y. So from that x equal to plus or minus 3. Okay, we get that limits x equal to minus 3 and x equal to 3. And next, the formula is value with b is equal to integral is from a to b by y square into dx. Y square into dx. So this is a basic formula for if it is in x axis. So we written as the limits are x equal to minus 3 to 3 by y square. It is given as a y. It is given as y. We need to find y square. Therefore, we written as x square minus 9 whole square into dx. So apply that a minus b whole square. Apply a minus b whole square. Therefore, a pi equal to minus 3 to 3. That is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Therefore, we get that pi equal to integral from minus 3 to 3 x power 4 minus 18x square plus 81 into dx. This is pi equal to integral from minus 3 to 3 x power 4 minus 18x square plus 81 into dx. So here we apply that the formula a to b by y square into dx. It is given that, what we given that? Given that y is equal to x square minus 9. We find that y square, that is nothing but x square minus 9 whole square. And we apply that formula a minus b whole square. That is a minus b whole square is nothing but what is the formula? A square minus 2ab plus b square. And we find that limits that is a pi into this integrand is even. So x power 4 is a even function. X square is a even function. And this is a constant. The constant is also even function. So if it is an even function, then it can be written as integral from minus a to a f of x into dx. This can be written as 2 into integral from 0 to a f of x into dx. When f of x is a even function. When f of x is a even function, then it can be written as integral from 0 to 2 into integral from 0 to a f of x into dx. So x power 4 is a even function, x square is even function, and constant is also even function. Then it can be written as 2 into integral from 0 to 3 x power 4 minus 18x square plus 81 into dx. So therefore it can be written as a 2 pi into, we written as a formula x power n. For x power n is the formula is x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. Then we get that x power 5 by 5 minus 18 into x square. That is 18 into x square. That is by integration of x square. Nothing but x cubed by 3 plus 81 into integration of dx. Nothing but x. The limits are 0 to 3. The limits are 0 to 3. So therefore it can be written as a 2 pi into. So substitute that upper limit minus lower limit. So therefore we get substitute that x is equal to 3. 3 power 5 by 5 minus 18 into 3 cubed by 3 plus 81 into 3. This is upper limit minus lower limit. What is the lower limit value? 0. That is 0 by 5 minus 18 into 0 by 3 plus 81 into 0. So this becomes to 0. So we get that 2 pi into, so 81 into 3, that is 243 by 5 minus 3 1 that 3 6 that 6 into 3 cube. 3 cube is nothing but 27 plus 240. So we get that 27 into 6 27 into 6. That is 27 into 6. 222. That is 2 pi into 243 by 5 minus 312 plus 243. So 243 243 by 5 plus we get a 1 21. So therefore we simplify that. Two pi into 243 plus 5 into. The LCM is 5. 5 1 are 5, 5 2 are 10 by 5. So finally we get that 2 pi into 8, 4, 8. So that is 348 into 2. So that is 696 5 by 5. So therefore, the answer is 696 pi by 5. So here that this is a basic one. That is 5 into 2 into integral from 0 to 3 x power 4 minus 18x square plus 81 into x. So we've written as how to find this value. What is the even function and what is the odd function? So even is nothing but even function. So even function nothing but f of minus x equal to f of x. If f of x is a function, we substitute that x equal to minus x, then we get that f of minus x equal to f of x. Then we say that the function is even function. Example, f of x equal to x square. Substitute x equal to minus x. Therefore, f of minus x equal to minus x whole square. This value is nothing but x square. Then we get f of x. So then we say that this is an even function. So odd function. So odd function is nothing but f of minus x equal to minus of f of x. So what are the examples? The examples are f of x equal to x, x cube, x power 5 and so on. So odd numbers are there. Okay. So x power 4 is an even function. Even. X4 is a fourth even number. 2 is the even number. And the constant is also the even number. So therefore it can be written as integral from 0 to 3 this value. And apply the formula integration of x power n. What is the formula for integration of x power n? X power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 and integration of dx, and this is nothing but integration of dx. So what is the formula for integration of dx? That value is equal to x. The value is equal to x. So therefore we get that this value. So finally we get that 696 pi by 5.
ఆ లాస్ట్